emotional.
Fine girl, why are you crying? Talk to me. This is Baba.
You see all these neighbor people. Why you don't go better for the generation? I just can't cut this my light.
You cut your light.
Yes.
Now me fine girl like you cry. Don't worry, Baba is here. Cool down.
I don't go cry.
Cool down. Real daddy.
Junior.
Be fast, my blood is hot.
Junior, make the light up for this, Baba. Make you help us fix the light.
Let's go.
Baba, see him.
Be fast, my son. Don't waste time. Which one be home, madam?
I don't cry again.
Which one be home? Stop crying.
So I pay Papa like you come. Papa, you get wisdom.
Very good. You said I cut your light.
Yes, Baba.
No problem.
Baba, now I tell you what you do.
Don't me na Baba now. Are you complaining? I go use empty hand fix am.
Okay.
Now, don't worry.
Okay, Baba. Thank you, Baba. Go press the operation.
Hey!
Baba, what's happening now? You said
No, bother yourself, man. Fine girl
Papa,
like
beg
you.
now.
This is my work. Before I become a babalawo, I was a NEPA boy.
Thank God. Thank God.
No.
This one where you
Would I do back?
You said I'm a girl like
yes, now we get right.
No, Nami.
Baba, what's happening now?
Juju be that.
Baba, now for you dey fall like this.
No. I dey try connect am, eh?
No fit fix am. But if you don't fit fix am, tell us now.
Go answer for me, oh.
Oh, sorry.
No man turn you to goat.
No, Papa, God bless
Do you know me?
No. Mommy, shut up.
I dey try help you. Supposed to dey keep quiet.
Baba, we no go talk again.
Hey! Jesus! No be juju be that.
Jesus.
Madam.
Baba.
See, let me warn you. No, man want to have any day when winch.
Baba,
Any day when I see me, man, I no even come my name. If I may not go marry husband, we go help you. You judge.